Inherited some old StarOffice documents and got VOR template files in the mix? These are legacy templates from a discontinued Office suite that predates modern alternatives. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open and convert these StarOffice template files. Be sure to stick around for the end. I'll introduce the single most powerful VOR inspection tool that can address this entire problem, along with virtually every other file type you encounter. VOR files are document templates created by StarOffice, a discontinued Office productivity suite, originally developed by StarDivision and later acquired by Sun Microsystems. They contain pre-formatted layout styles and content, used as starting points for new documents with formatting consistency across multiple StarOffice document types. VOR template files use a binary StarOffice format that stores document structure styles, formatting paragraph definitions, page layouts, and embedded content. The format predates the OpenDocument Format ODF standard and uses StarOffice's proprietary structured storage approach with separate streams for content styles and metadata. For comprehensive file management, VOR relies on Apache OpenOffice developed by Apache Software Foundation. Windows native tools lack the decompression modules necessary for this file. Windows provides only partial editing support, so full functionality requires dedicated document utilities. Begin the search for the correct application handler. Right-click the VOR file and choose Open With. Use Apache OpenOffice first. If it's absent, select another program. This test sequence is necessary for all stubborn file errors. If the VOR file is still giving you trouble, relax. When the primary software doesn't work, we need to quickly isolate the error. Let's run through these 3 essential troubleshooting steps right now. First, opening with LibreOffice. Install LibreOffice, which inherits OpenOffice's compatibility with legacy StarOffice formats. Double-click the VOR file or use File then Open in LibreOffice. The template loads with most formatting and styles preserved, allowing you to create new documents based on the template or save it in modern ODF format for ongoing use. Next, converting with Apache OpenOffice. Apache OpenOffice also opens VOR templates due to its StarOffice heritage. Open the VOR file, then use File then Save, as to convert to OpenDocument Template OTT or Microsoft Word format DOTX. This conversion preserves the template structure and makes it usable in modern Office applications without requiring legacy software. Finally, batch converting multiple templates. Use LibreOffice's command line conversion to batch convert VOR files. Run Soffice, headless, convert to OTT, VOR in the folder containing your templates. This converts all VOR files to OpenDocument template format, simultaneously simplifying migration of large StarOffice template libraries to modern document standards. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to File Magic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.